Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel. Let's take a look what's going on with ICP, with my custom maker set. So first of all, yes, yesterday it was one of many in a last maybe 5 months crashes of crypto. The gold crash at the 6 trillions just vanished from the market. And it's okay, you know, for the gold, for NASDAQ, for S&P 500, for even the BTC, it's okay, you know, because that asset's at the top. But what is not okay, it's altcoins. So nobody care about alts. And I repeat again, I made a post about it today. So what's the point of that amount of altcoins? I don't want to talk about the meme coins. Meme coins just a lifespan, just one day, maybe the week. But all these fundamental tokens, if they trying to deliver something, but this use case, this utility, these tokens even don't need it. So the people don't need it. Nobody want to even speculate this token, only the shorts since 2021. So that's why, guys, it's unfair to say about oh, BTC going down. That's why altcoins are going down. The BTC performed from the 16K to 80 to 126, and just not so many alts perform the same way. Only the few of them maybe in the AI sector and maybe real world asset sector, and that's it. And only the memes perform it. All right. About a BTC, I will post another video also. So for the ICP, guys, locally still in play, 0.5 low by 5th of this week. That's why the last maybe the year, I'm not touching the spot position. So just to be honest, guys, the spot, it's a trap for this cycle. Because you froze the money. I froze a lot of money with a spot position in many altcoins. And now I'm just wait and praise to out of the break even, right? So I don't want to talk even about a profit. For some altcoins, of course, it's going to be the profit for a long run. It's okay. But I'm not happy with that. So I froze the money. So that money not stop working, right? That's why the last year I'm not waste the stable coins for DCA strategy. DCA strategy is also the trap. For the alts, it doesn't work. So just to be honest, imagine the people who use DCA or the ICP. Do you think that guy is satisfied with the DCA from I don't know, from the week? Even if we not count the week, from the 250 to $1. The people waste the stable coins, the time and the stable coins with the DCA. That's why, guys, DCA is not a solution. It's like a myth about, oh, just buy and hold. You know, the CZ recently made a post about my strategy. It's buy and hold. Pretty simple. And this is the best strategy. And one guy answered the CZ, say like, it's okay, but I bought every single altcoin what you listed on the Binance the last 2 years and just buy and hold, and they just down 99.9%. I can't say this is best strategy. That's why, guys, a lot of stuff is just changing in the market. So ICP, I think, will reach one day, if this token will be still exist on centralized exchanges, the main target what I shared before. But if we focus on the local one, maybe I will start speculate on the futures ICP only. First one, if we're gonna touch the buy line on the daily, sweep these liquidity pools, it's $2.63. If, for example, we skyrocket from these current prices, I will be more than happy for the people who speculated. And maybe another one, it's $2.09. So this is it. I hope BTC now hold the line around the 80K and not crash it down to 78 or 72K. And everybody gonna be happy, but it's more than real to see. That's why it's just a matter of time. Need just to wait that some few weeks, right, to see the BTC main direction. So this is a target where I maybe will open the futures position with the stop losses, of course. Maybe with second leverage, just tiny one. This is the best option. This is a craziest option. In both case, guys, I'm gonna use the stop loss for sure. Weekly time frame, of course, we're so underrated, but we can drop even lower. That's why, yes, now we rejected the fundamental value of the ICP, and like you can see, unfortunately, this one, the take profit line are dynamic, and they just in December it was 988 take profit line on the weekly. Now it's 888, and while we consolidate or going down, this line is also going down. That's why I will be not surprised if, for example, by end of spring, this line going to be here at 750. That's why, guys, build a plan. And now I want to focus only on the futures trades, not waste the stable coins on a spot. Buy line on 12 time frame. What is good? At least we just start, looks like stable, not crash it down like here. So the buy line now, it's around 0.5 level by FIP of week candle, what we leave it in October 10. So it's $2.22. So this is it, guys. In this block, maybe I will start looking some position. By the way, today we saw the signals. So take profit signal, what I added in December 19, trigger it just today. On the take profit indicator, trade on indicator. Trade on, and it's not confirmed yet. Like you can see that the signal should be confirmed. Well, time frame, yes. Take profit signal, no. It's not triggered. All right, guys. So maybe need to wait some more days. All right. Because it's not confirmed yet. So to trade on, it's sell, and we need to see something like where that one, like this one. Oh, here. So the sell was signal in June. After that, a signal take profit. So take profit signal on a 12 time frame. Buy recommendation close position. Another drop. Buy, and we pump it. Now I wish to see the confirmed signal take profit. It's not confirmed yet. So I recommend you just add alerts and track it. Daily, it's also no signal. 4 hours time frame. Here was a signal take profit, buy, and I think we're going a little bit down. And that's why I'm not touching now the futures, and I'm not touching the spot ADZ direction. ADZ on the daily time frame in a biggest accumulation since October 2022. It's good. So for me, it's bullish signal. Direction, also some signals of accumulation from the whales here, start. It's good. Weekly time frame, we can test it. It's going to be the best option if we're going to drop $2.11, $2.22 and rebound. Accumulation was here with the warranty, and I don't think so we're going to drop on the $1 again. That's why now we're just in a neutral zone on the ADZ on the weekly time frame. In direction, no signals. Like you can see, market smooth. The sentiment, of course, now it's horrible for the alts. Now it's disbelief. On the daily, on the weekly, it's total capitulation. On the 12 time frame, capitulation. So just wait a few days, and I think we will see the main direction on a BTC. Of course, now a lot of stuff around Iran can happen. It's so horrible, when the crypto involved in all of this macro stuff. Before we just trade fancy internet virtual tokens. Now everything depends of geopolitics, of the politics, not a BTC, institutional, and else follow. So this is no money inflow on 12 time frame, no money inflow, I guess, on daily time frame. Let's add alert to money power indicator, money inflow. Money inflow on the daily. Weekly, also no money inflow. So the last money inflow was here in December, 22 December that week, and we found at $2.98, $4.80, now nothing. Maybe some news. By the way, yes, Monero reached the new all-time high. So congrats everybody who invested in Monero. So guys, I recommend in no rush. Just better close the chart, add alerts, and just wait. Sometimes it's the best option. Best trade, it's not open trade. So this is a way. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about ICP. If you would like to trade with my customer care site and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.